Oregon Process Innovation Center is a signature research lab of Oregon BASS, and Oregon BASS provides the funding to help establish OPIC.
This laboratory helps collaborators who are part of the solar industry in Oregon and throughout the United States, and that provides facilities and resources so that companies can characterize processes as well as characterize the solar cells that they're manufacturing.
This lab helps the solar energy firm in several ways. It provides a facility, and we also provide many state-of-the-art equipment that is accessible to the solar industry. And also we provide people in OUS system, the researcher, and they can collaborate through the centers. We're unique in the Northwest because we provide the equipment, and we also provide the expertise in this particular area of sustainable manufacturing of solar cell. And we also unique that the company can come in and actually they can rent a space, they can work in the lab, and also the equipment we provide is tailored for solar cell manufacturing.
So these are equipment that they're not able to afford right at the beginning. But if they can get the initial results using these equipment, they'll be able to go after and obtain funding from other sources and grow their business.
Right now, there's about 8 companies involved with OPIC Lab.
We can get students active in research with Oregon-based companies. They get to see what the state of the technology is, see what advances are being made, and see how they can contribute in the future.
We have some unique equipment that's particularly useful for solar cell industries. Is, for example, the quantum efficient tool, real-time quantum efficient tool that we co-developed with Tau Science.
The flash quantum efficiency tool that we have here is the first of its kind to be sold in the world. This tool tests solar cells in a way that tells us a lot about the function of the cell and shows defects. But it tests the solar cells faster than any of the previous quantum efficiency tools out there. So a test that would normally take 5 minutes takes 1.2 seconds with this tool. Currently we have several research groups on campus working with this tool, and we have interest from at least one other company that would like to be trained on it in the near future.
One of the most unique instruments is this roll-to-roll coder. This instrument is not available anywhere else in the state of Oregon for external use. I don't believe this type of instrument is available to anyone else throughout the country for external use. We also have had Oregon companies working in the lab. That includes CSD Nano.
CSD Nano, this is our only laboratory facility that we use directly. The analytical equipment is something we couldn't afford to buy ourselves, and the space itself. The secondary benefit is that there are other companies here working in what may appear to be very different areas, but it turns out that there are synergies.
Through the OPIC Lab, we've been able to find affiliations with CSD Nano and been able to develop some synergies there that have been very beneficial for both companies.
It's like an incubator, truly an incubator where you put these companies all in one place, provide the equipment and space to work in, and magic happens.
So one of the benefits from this lab is there's a tremendous amount of potential for job creation in the state of Oregon. What we found with the OPIC Lab is that Oregon BASS is very good at getting our name out there. We've had companies from as far away as New York State, so IBM has had one of their senior managers in the photovoltaic energy market come to our lab, visit the lab, and he saw some of the capabilities that we have.
What we're working on is helping the small business. At the starting stage, they are now creating very high-paying job, but they are generating the new company, and then when they grow, be successful, they will continue to increase the job creation in Oregon.